Namaste friends, amygdala, neuroanatomy, pathology and homeopathic perspective of the amygdala, including derailments, pathophysiology and remedies with nosodes and sarcodes. Amygdala is an element separate group of nuclei in medial temporal lobe part of limbic system. Key nuclei groups: basolateral complex, emotional learning, fear, conditioning. Central nuclei, that is CEA, anatomic plus endocrine response. Corticomedial, olfactory plus instinctual behavior. Functional circuits: amygdala, hippocampus, emotional memory. Amygdala, prefrontal cortex, emotional regulation. Then after amygdala, hypothalamus, autonomic endocrine output. Amygdala derailments, functional and structural. Hyperactivity, seen in anxiety disorder, PTSD, phobias. Hyperactivity, these are the symptoms which can be seen. Features: heightened fear response, emotional overreactivity, panic states. These are the conditions. Hypoactivity, seen in psychopathy, autism spectrum, some cases. Features: reduced fear, emotional blunting, impaired social judgment. Structural lessons: causes, tumors, trauma, neurodegeneration. Structural lessons: in this situation, the causes, again I am repeating, tumors, trauma and neurodegeneration. Classic syndrome: Bussy syndrome, hyperorality, hypersexuality, emotional dullness, visual agnosia. Pathophysiology, deep mechanism, neurotransmitters involved, glutamate, excitatory in anxiety. Then after GABA, inhibitory disinhibition. Serotonin, mood modulation. Dopamine, emotional salience. Stress axis, amygdala activates HPA axis. Hypothalamus, CRH, pituitary, ACTH, adrenal, cortisol. Chronic activation leads to anxiety disorder, depression, neurotoxicity, hippocampal damage. Clinical conditions linked to amygdala. Amygdala clinical conditions: generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, PTSD, depression, phobias, aggression disorder, temporal lobe epilepsy. Now we are coming on homeopathic understanding. In homeopathy, amygdala dysfunction corresponds to disturbance in emotional sphere, mind symptoms. Core theme: fear, anxiety, trauma imprint, emotional hypersensitivity. Homeopathic remedies are key indications: acute fear, panic, aconite nap, sudden panic, fear of death, and after shock. Aconite works very well. Belladonna, intense emotional excitement, congestion, sudden onset. Chronic anxiety anticipation, Argentum nitricum, anticipatory anxiety, impulsiveness. Then after coming to next medicine, Gelsemium, fear with weakness, stage fright. In case of Gelsemium, these are the symptoms. Trauma, PTSD, like state. Medicine is Ignacia amara, grief, emotional shock, suppressed emotions. Then after coming Stramonium, terror, nightmare, fear of darkness. These are the symptoms of Stramonium. Aggression, that is rage. Hyoscyamus niger. Suspicion, jealousy, inappropriate behavior. Then our next medicine is Tarantula hispanica. Restlessness, destructive impulses. Restlessness and destructive impulses. Now friends, coming on nosures and amygdala disorder. Nosures on deep miasmatic and chronic emotional states. Medicine is medorinum. Extreme emotions, impulsivity, anxiety with restlessness. These are the symptoms of medorinum, which is a nosode. Now we are coming to syphilinium. Syphilinium is a medicine where destructiveness comes. Severe mental pathology. This is the symptom of syphilinium. Now we are coming to soranum. Soranum is for chronic anxiety, hopelessness. This is for symptom of soranum. Organ remedies, that is a sarcose. Hypothalamus sarcode regulates neuroendocrine axis. Adrenaline, stress response, fight or flight. Cerebrum nosodes, general brain function support. There is no direct amygdala sarcode, but related neuroendocrine sarcodes are used. Now friends, integrative interpretation. Modern science, amygdala hyperactivity, fear, anxiety remedies. SP axis overdrive, adrenaline, stress remedies. Trauma, memory circuits, Ignacia and Stramonium. Then our next is emotional dysregulation, constitutional remedies. Now we are coming on key concept summary. Amygdala, fear plus emotional memory center, dysfunction, anxiety, trauma, aggression, pathophysiology, neurotransmitter plus stress axis. Homeopathy treats emotional imprint, miasmatic depth. So friends, that's all about amygdala and homeopathy. If you like it, please share to your nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.